Okay, good afternoon po sa ating lahat, no, sa ating mga future LPTs na sumasabaybay sa atin sa ating mga lectures and drills dito po sa LCTC YouTube channel. Okay, so good afternoon po, magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Okay? So ngayon po magkakaroon tayo ng panibagong lecture at saka drills, no? Natiyak na magbibigay sa atin ng uh, more information, okay, sa general education. Okay po. Okay, so last Friday po, nag-stop tayo sa 200, item 220. So we're going to continue the discussion. Okay? So 221 na po tayo ngayon. Okay, so let's begin. Okay. What figure of speech is being in the statement, shown in the statement, she is the apple of my eye? Okay. 221, she is the apple of my eye. So anong um, figure of speech? Okay. Is it simile, metaphor, hyperbole, or onomatopoeia? Okay. Take note po, ang simile, like, mayroong like, no? And as. So dito may ipinagpalagay, no? Na hindi direkta. So ang answer po ay letter B. Ang onomatopoeia po yung binibigyan ng sound. Okay. Next item. Filipina writer known for her love sonnets. Kilala siya sa kanyang mga love sonnets. Is it Ofelia de Malanta or Paz Marquez Benitez? Tandaan po natin, Paz Marquez Benitez known for writing the first ever short story, no, in English written by a Filipino, yung Dead Stars. Okay? Kay Paz Marquez Benitez yun. So when we talk about love sonnets, no, kilala, he's known for her love sonnets, si Ofelia de Malanta. Okay, very good. Next item po, ito, mga sinulat ni Tolstoy. Which of the following books of Leo Tolstoy is considered as the greatest novel ever written? War and Peace or B. Anna Karenina? Okay. Take note po, greatest highlighted po yung greatest novel. Okay. War and Peace or Anna Karenina? Okay. So pag sinabi nating considered as the greatest novel written by Leo Tolstoy, that's A. War and Peace. Yung Anna Karenina ay considered by him, by Leo Tolstoy, okay? Yung Anna Karenina is considered by Leo Tolstoy as his first true novel. Pag sinabing first true novel, according to Leo Tolstoy, Anna Karenina. Pag sinabing greatest novel ever written, War and Peace. Okay, next item. What is meritocracy? Okay. Pag sinabi pong meritocracy, okay, is it rule of few and privilege? Okay? Is it rule of the few or rule of the talented? Pag sinabing meritocracy, from the word merit, yung kung ano ang meron. So, rule of the talented. Pag sinabi nating rule of the few and the privilege, yung mga oligarch. Okay. No? Pag sinabi nating rule of the few, yung mga aristocrat or aristocracy ang tawag dyan. Okay. So, rule ng mga mayayaman. Okay. Mga businessman, oligarch. Rule of the few and the privilege. Okay. Rule of the few or sometimes ang ginagamit, rule of the few and the wealthy. Okay. Pwede rin yun. But pag sinabing meritocracy, that's rule of the talented. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. It is a one-act play. 225. One-act play written by Sok Rodrigo. Okay. Pag sinabing one-act play, At ang sumulat ay si Soc Rodriguez. Okay. Yan ay sa pula, sa puti. Tandaan po. Okay? Sa pula, sa puti. Yung Scent of the Apples, yan yung story, no, ng Filipino immigrants and their unique experience doon sa US. Scent of the Apples. Kung natatandaan nyo, no, si Bienvenido Santos, ang kanyang mga obra or kanyang mga likha ay nagpapakita ng mga, ano ba tawag dito, yung mga cultures, no, Filipino, kung ano ba ang kultura ng mga Amerikano. Okay? Filipino to US cultures. Kay Bienvenido Santos yan. Kaya ang author ng Scent of Apples si Bienvenido Santos. Okay. Yung ito namang New Yorker in Tondo, yung character dito si Kikay, no? New Yorker. Sinulat ito ni Marcelino Agano Jr. Okay. Sige. Let's proceed. Magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon, no, sa mga nanonood. Okay, sa mga sumusubaybay sa atin, welcome po sa ating live lectures and drills. Okay. Pag sinabi nga ulit nating sa pula sa puti, Soc Rodrigo. Pag sinabi nating Scent of Apples, ang may akda, si Bienvenido Santos. Pag sinabi nating New Yorker in Tondo, Marcelino Agada Jr. Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed po sa next item. Portrait of the artist as a Filipino. What best describes the statement? It is a celebrated play which was set during the early American colonial period, where it tells the story of one man and his family's unique experience as a Filipino immigrants to the United States. Oh, ito yung Scent of the Apples by Bienvenido Santos. Kaya ang Portrait of the Artist as a Filipino, ang best na nag-describe sa statement ay it is a celebrated play during the early American colonial period. Take note po, tandaan lang po natin, Portrait of the Artist as a Filipino, no, kinakailangan nating ipagdiwang, i-celebrate. Okay. Pag sinabi nating a story of a man and his family's unique experience as a Filipino immigrants to the United States, that's the Scent of the Apples by Bienvenido Santos. Okay. Let's proceed. Sino nga ulit yung Filipino writer known for her love sonnets? Ofelia Di Malanta. Okay. Pag sinabi nga nating the first short story written in English by a Filipino writer, Dead Stars. Sino nga ulit ang may akda ng Dead Stars? Si Paz Marquez Benitez. Very good. Next item. It is a carrier of hereditary traits and are classified as dominant or recessive. Genes, chromosomes, DNA, or RNA. Ang sagot, genes. Pag sinabi po natin chromosomes, it carries a genetic information from generation to generation. Okay. Pag sinabi naman natin DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid, contains genetic code unique to an individual. Okay, kaya masasabi natin kahit magkapatid, may kanyang unique na DNA. Pag RNA naman, protein synthesis. Okay. Tandaan po. Okay. There are how many pairs of chromosomes? Autosomes, trait chromosomes, and gonosomes, sex chromosomes. Okay. Ilan? Tandaan po natin na mayroon pong 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 dyan ay yung trait chromosomes. At yung isa naman na pares ay yung sex chromosomes. Okay, tandaan po. 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 dyan, trait chromosomes, at ang isang pares or the last pair is the sex chromosomes. Okay. Naalala ko, diniscuss natin to nung last Friday. Pag double X, female. Pag X and Y, male. Okay. Next, the proponent of PETA, is it Cecil Alvarez, Nate Rogers, Severino Montano, or Rolando Tino? Tandaan po, yung matters. Okay. Matters. Montano, Arina. Tino, experimental. Rogers, Sala. Include yung AP or up. Alvarez, PETA. Tandaan po. So, proponent ng PETA, Cecil Alvarez. Okay, next. Which of the, ito lumabas to nung March. Which of the following is not a theater art form? Cartoons, kabuki, opera, musical. Theater. Okay. Cartoons ang sagot. Hindi theater art form ang cartoons. Okay. Next. A Filipino painter known for depicting vibrantly colorful and thickly painted landscapes. Itong mga obra niya ay mas focus sa mga surroundings, sa mga landscapes, no? Vibrantly colorful and thickly painted landscapes. Sino? Filipino painter. Letter, is it San Pedro, Celerio, or Cesar Buenaventura? San Pedro po is the first national artist for music. Itong si Levi Celerio naman ay kilala siya as the man who could play music with a leaf. Okay, gamit dahon. Okay? So, thickly painted landscapes, vibrantly colorful and thickly painted landscapes, Cesar Buenaventura. Okay. Again, pag sinabi natin San Pedro, Luis San Pedro, or Lucio San Pedro, okay, first national artist for music. Itong si Levi Celerio ay kilala as the man who could play music with a leaf. Okay, tandaan po yan. Next item. Famous composer from Angono and became the first national artist for music. Oh, ito. Si San Pedro. Okay. Famous composer from Angono became the first national artist for music, Luis San Pedro. Sometimes Lucio po. No? Kung may Lucio San Pedro, yun po ang sagot. Okay? Pag walang Lucio, Luis ang nakalagay, Luis San Pedro. Okay. Next. All these were ilustrados except Jaina, Rizal, Del Pilar, Andres Bonifacio. So, ilustrados yung tatlo, si Jaina, Rizal, at Del Pilar. Okay. And itong si Bonifacio ay hindi isang ilustrado. Pag sinabi nga nating ilustrado, they are Filipinos, educated Filipinos in Europe. Okay. The triumvirate of the propaganda movement, itong tatlo, si Jaina, Rizal, at saka si Del Pilar. Okay. Next. She was a stage actress, best lead actress in Les Miserables, or Les Miserables. Okay. And the Miss Saigon, Lea Salonga. Okay, tandaan po. So, she was an honor to the country. No? Okay. Kasi, no, nakilala ang Pilipinas sa buong mundo. Particular na sa pag-arte. Okay, so Lea Salonga. Okay. The abbreviation sin, tan, sec, o sin, tan, sec for sine, tangent, and secant. Ito ay kay Albert Gerard. Okay? At pag sinabi naman nating to measure the intensity of earthquake kay Charles Richter. Okay, isa-isay natin. Alexander Graham Bell, telephone. Kay Danzig, programming. Or to be specific, linear programming. Kang Johannes Kepler, okay, planetary motion. Or yung orbital, elliptical orbit ng mga planeta. Okay. And kang Richter, Charles Richter, yung intensity, pag-measure ng intensity of an earthquake. Kaya nga tinatawag itong Richter scale. Okay. Next item, 236. The first national artist for painting. First national artist for painting. Okay. Lumalabas din po ito. The first national artist for painting. Okay. Si Fernando Amor Solo. Okay. Itong si Vicente Manansala po ay kilala bilang the legendary cubist of the Philippines. Okay. Cubism. Okay. And the first abstractionist on the Philippine art scene. Okay. Abstractionist. Itong si Fernando, itong si Manansala, Vicente Manansala. Okay. Si Fernando Amorsolo naman po ay kilala sa kanyang obra na Planting Rice. No? And the grand old man of Philippine art, Fernando Amorsolo. Napoleon Abueva ay associated siya sa sculpture. Okay, kilala siya bilang the father of modern Philippine sculpture. Juan Luna, kilala sa kanyang obra na Spularium. Okay, again, pag sinabi nating the legendary cubist of Philippine art, that's Vicente Manansala. Pag sinabi nating the first abstractionist in the Philippine art scene, that's still Vicente Manansala. Pag ipinapakita yung obra na Planting Rice, kay Fernando Amorsolo yun. Fernando Amorsolo, the first national artist for painting. Pag sinabi nating father of modern Philippine sculpture, that's Napoleon Abueva. Pag sinabi nating Spularium, that is attributed to Juan Luna. Okay, next, let's proceed. The first national artist for literature in 1973. Okay. First national artist for literature. First national artist for music, San Pedro. First national artist for literature, si Graciano Lopez Haina, Marcelo S. del Pilar, o associated sila sa La Solidaridad, triumvirate of the propaganda movement. Okay. Tas kabilang na si Rizal. So the first national artist for literature, Jose Garcia Vella, also known as the Kama Poet. Okay. Okay. Next. All these nations are members of Association of the Southeast Asian Nations of ASEAN, except okay. All these nations are members of Association of Southeast Asian Nations, except China, Singapore, Indonesia, or Myanmar. Okay. BCI, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, PSTV, that's the Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Okay, ang hindi nabanggit, China. Okay. BC, I, Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia. LMM, that's Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar. PSTV, that's the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. So, ang hindi kasali, China. Okay, next. This is the first novel in English written by a Filipino writer in 1921. Okay. First novel in English written by a Filipino writer in 1921. Dead Stars or Child of Sorrow? Take note, first novel in English written by a Filipino, Child of Sorrow. Short story in English, okay. Itong Dead Stars, short story. Itong Child of Sorrow, novel. Okay, Dead Stars, first short story written in English by a Filipino writer, by Paz Marquez Benitez. Itong Child of Sorrow, first novel in English written by a Filipino writer, Zoilo Galang. Child of Sorrow. Okay. The Epic of the Ilocanos, Biag ni Lamang or Hinilawod? The Epic of the Ilocanos, Biag ni Lamang. Epic of the Visayas, most particularly in Panay, Hinilawod. Okay, very good. Pag epiko ng mga Ilocano, Biag ni Lamang. Pag epiko ng mga Bisaya, Hinilawod. Okay. First President of the Ilocos Region, E. Marcos. Lumabas ito noong September. He is the first President of the Ilocos Region, Ferdinand E. Marcos, Elpidio Quirino, Sergio Osmeña. First President of the Ilocos Region, that's Elpidio Quirino. Okay. Pag sinabi naman nating first president of from the Visayas, okay, Sergio Osmeña. Okay. Okay po. First president of the Ilocos Region, that's Elpidio Quirino. First president of the Visayas, Sergio Osmeña. Okay. Ferdinand E. Marcos, associated with the martial law. Okay. Take note po. From Ilocos din, itong si Ferdinand E. Marcos. Okay. First president from the Ilocos region, Elpidio Quirino. First president from the Visayas, Sergio Osmeña. Okay. Who has the power to declare the existence of war? President, the Supreme Court, Congress, Senate, and the executive head. Sino po ang makadeklara ng isang giyera, state existence of war? President, A. B. Supreme Court, C. Congress, D. Senate, and the executive head. Take note po that it is within the power of the legislative body. The Congress has the power to declare the existence of war. Okay, take note po. Tandaan po natin yan. Okay, hindi po presidente, hindi po ang Supreme Court, kundi ang Congress. Okay? The Constitution states that it is within the power of the legislative body to declare the existence of war. Okay. Take note po. Okay, sa atin pong mga nanonood. Okay. Tandaan po natin. Yan. Next item, 243. He coined the term survival of the fittest. Comte, Marx, Spencer. Si Comte po ay father of sociology. Si Karl Marx po ay father ng communism. So it was Herbert Spencer. Siya po ang nag-coin ng term na survival of the fittest. Father of sociology, that's Auguste Comte. Karl Marx, father of communism. Survival of the fittest, that is attributed to Herbert Spencer. Okay, next. He established the tobacco monopoly during the Spanish era. Pag sinabi nating tobacco monopoly, no, monopolyo sa tabako, Jose Basco. Ito pong si Rafael Izquierdo ay associated sa Cavite Mutiny sa pagbitay ng mga taong kasali doon. Particularly the pagbitay ng mga tatlong pari Gomborza. Okay, by Igarot. Okay, strangulation. Okay. So si Rafael Izquierdo po 'yun. But pag sinabi nating established the tobacco monopoly, Jose Basco. Pag sinabi nating nagpabitay sa tatlong pari Gomborza, Rafael Izquierdo. Okay. Siya yung head, no, ng Spanish government dito sa Pilipinas noong kasagsagan ng Cavite Mutiny. Okay, Rafael Izquierdo. Next, heredity is to Mendel. Laws of planetary motion kay Johannes Kepler. Take note po. Okay? So Johannes Kepler po ang planetary motion. Pag sinabing heredity kay pag sinabi po nating heredity kay Mendel. Pag penicillin naman po kay Fleming. Pag theory of evolution naman po, no, kay Charles Darwin yan. Pag sinabi nating laws of planetary motion kay Kepler, Johannes Kepler. Tandaan po natin yan, mga teachers. Pag sinabi naman po nating radium at saka polonium, kay Marie Curie yan. Okay. Take note po. Take note, teachers. Hello po sa mga nanonood sa atin. Good afternoon po. Okay. Sa mga nag-abang sa ating Friday night drills, salamat po sa inyo. And at the same time, pasensya po na hindi kami nakapag-live nung Friday due to internet connection problem na naman. Okay? Sige. Next, 246. 246, item 246. Okay? Ito po ay isang Japanese poem having 5 lines with 31 syllables. 31 syllables. 5 lines. 31 syllables. Haiku, tanaga, tangka. Take note po, 246. Yung haiku po, 3 lines. Okay. Yung tanaga po, 4 lines. Yung tangka, 5 lines, 31 syllables. Okay, again. Yung haiku, 3 lines. 5, 7, 5. So, that's 17 syllables. Yung tanaga po, 4 lines, 28 syllables. 7, 7, 7. Okay? 4 lines. Yung tangka, 5 lines. The first 3 lines ay kaparehas ng haiku. 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. Okay, 5 lines. Again, haiku, 5, 7, 5. Pag sinabi nating tanaga, 7, 7, 7, 7. 4 lines. Pag sinabi nating tangka, 5 lines, 5, 7, 5, 7, 7. A total of 31 syllables. Yung haiku po, 17 syllables. Yung tanaga po, 28 syllables. Yung tangka, 31 syllables. Okay. Okay, drill nga natin. Sino nga ulit ang author ng Dead Stars? Paz Marquez Benitez. Ano nga ang pinakauna-unahang short story in English written by a Filipino writer? Short story, Dead Stars. Pag sinabi nating first novel in English written by a Filipino writer, that's the Child of Sorrow. Author ng Child of Sorrow, that's Zoilo Galang. Pag sinabi nating Grand Old Man of Philippine Art, that's Fernando Amorsolo. Okay. And national artist, no? National artist for first, national artist for music, San Pedro. Okay. Sino nga ulit yung the man who could play music with a leaf? Levi Celerio. Okay. Sino nga ang father of modern Philippine sculpture? Napoleon Abueva. Okay. Sino nga ang author ng Scent of Apples? Bienvenido Santos. Okay. Ang story ni Kikay na nagpunta ng New York para mag-aral ng hairstyle, that's New Yorker in Tondo. Sino nga ang author ng New Yorker in Tondo? Marcelino Agana Jr. Okay. Okay. The greatest novel of Leo Tolstoy, War and Peace. This is, Leo Tolstoy himself considered it as his first true novel, Anna Karenina. Very good. Sino nga ulit ang legendary cubist and the first abstractionist in Philippine art scene? Si Vicente Manansala. Okay. Pag sinabi nating planting rice, associated yan kay Fernando Amorsolo. Pag sinabi nating spolarium, associated yan kay Juan Luna. Okay, very good. Pag sinabi nating epiko ng mga Ilocano, that's Biag ni Lamang. Epiko ng mga Bisaya o from Panay, Hini Lawod. First President of the Ilocos Region, Elpidio Quirino. First President of the Visayas, that's Sergio Osmeña. Okay. Very good. Pag sinabi nating Japanese poem consisting of 3 lines and 17 syllables, haiku. Pag sinabi nating Japanese poem consisting of 4 lines and 28 syllables, that's tanaga. Pag sinabi nating Japanese poem consisting of 5 lines having 31 syllables, that's tangka. Okay. Very good. Next. Okay. Very good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon po sa mga nanonood sa atin sa ating live lectures and drills. Okay. Communism. Father of communism, Karl Marx. Father of sociology, Auguste Comte. Very good. Pag sinabi natin survival of the fittest, that's for Herbert Spencer. So, hierarchy of needs, that's Maslow. Okay. Pag planetary motion or yung elliptical orbit ng mga planeta, that's Johannes Kepler. Pag sinabi nating used to measure the intensity of an earthquake, Richter scale. Okay. Pag sinabi nating linear programming, Danzig. Very good. Penicillin, Fleming. Okay. Let's proceed. Ito, lumabas nung March. The famous Itik-Itik dance is originated from, take note, Surigao del Sur. Okay, very good. Next, the dominant theme, creative representation of doble cara as a Filipino culture value. Doble cara, deceit. Okay, take note. Next item, 250. In a test, take note po, in a test, 8 students obtained the following scores. 12, 10, 11, 13, 12, 10, 13, 11, 15, 20, 17, 17. What is the median score? Take note po. Now, before we are going to look or find or solve for the median score, we need first to arrange the set of values, no, from lowest to greatest. Okay, so we have 11, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, dalawang 17, and 20. Okay. Okay. So, i-arrange po. Yung resulta po, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 17, 20. Okay. So, pag even yung scores, yung dalawang median score, i-add mo tsaka divided by 2. Pag add yung set of values, yung pinaka-sentro yung median score. So, in this case, yung dalawa, kasi even yung set of values. Okay? So, 13 at saka 15 yung middle if we're going to arrange the score from lowest to greatest value. I-add natin yung 13 at saka 15, that's 28. Half of 28, that's 14. So, ang median score ay 14. Ganun lang po. You need to arrange the given set of scores or values from lowest to greatest. I-arrange natin. Then, look for the middle score. Pag-add. Okay. Pag even naman, yung dalawang middle scores i-add at saka divide it by 2. So, in this case, ang median score ay 14. Okay. Again, in a test of 8 students, obtained the following scores: 12, 10, 11, 13, 15, 20, dalawang 17, the same sa kanina. What is the mode? Ngayon naman, mode yung hinihingi. Take note po, if the median is the middle score, ang mode naman po is the most, the frequent score. Okay. So, in the given set of values, we have 17. No, duha kada dalawang estudyante yung nakakuha ng 17. So, yan po ang mode. The most frequent score, mode po yan. Question, Sir, what if yung 11 ay dalawa rin? The mode, yung 11 at saka 17. The most frequent scores man. Okay? Pag 17, dalawa, at saka dalawang 11, dalawa ang mode. Ang tawag dyan, bimodal. Ito, iisa lang yung mode, 17, unimodal. Okay, very good. The most frequent score, that's the mode. Okay. The sum of 3 consecutive integers is 123. What are the integers? Ito, madali lang. Kasi may dalawang choices ka lang. Add mo 40 plus 40 plus 40. That's 120. 1 and 2, 123. Okay. Ito po yung formula. Tandaan po, not the formula, but the mathematical way in solving. Itong x, consecutive no? Say for example, this is 40. X is 40. Pag sinabing consecutive, sunod-sunod. If this is 40, this is 40 plus 1, 41. This is 40 plus 2, 43. That's 40, 41, 42. Right? Okay. Add natin yung x, 3x. Add natin yung mga whole number, 2 and 1 and 2, that's 3. Transpose natin, 123 divided by minus 3, that's 120. I-divide natin yung both sides ng 3 para x na lang yung matira, no? X equals 120 divided by 3, that's 40. So the value of x is 40. This is 40. This is 40. Plus 1, 41. This is 40 plus 2, 42. 40, 41, 42. So we have now our 3 consecutive integers. Madali lang kasi small number lang itong sum, no? Okay. Paano pag ito? the sum of 6 consecutive integers is 531. What are the integers? Okay? Pag malalaki yung numbers, no, it will take time to add them. Right? Okay, use the same thing. So this is 1, 2, 3, the first digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Say for example, this is 80. 80 plus 1, 81. 80 plus 2, 82. Plus 3, 83. Plus 4, 85. 4 plus 5, 85. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x. Okay? Tapos, i-add natin yung whole numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 15. 6x plus 15 equals 531. Minus 531, transpose natin yung 15. 531 minus 15, that's 516. Divide both sides by 6. X equals 86. If this is 86, this is 87. Add 1. If this is 86 plus 2, that's 88. 89. 90. 91. So the answer is letter B. The sum of 6 consecutive integers is 531. So the numbers or the integers are 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, and 91. Klaro? Okay. So take note po, teachers. Okay, so tandaan natin, no? Okay, so it will give us more time, no, to focus on other questions. Okay? Kasi mayroon tayong technique na ginamit. Okay, next item. The sum of the arithmetic series. Arithmetic series na naman. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus 13 plus 16. Maliliit lang na mga numbers, no? Kaya madali lang i-add. Okay? So, this is 14, 5, 12, 22, 35, 35, and 16, that's 51. So, answer is letter A. Okay, paano naman pag ito? The sum of the arithmetic series, whose first term is 8 and the 8th term is 36. Take note po. Okay. Ano daw yung sum ng arithmetic series? Mayroong 8 terms. Yung first term is 8, yung second term is 36. Ito po ang formula na gamitin. S sub n, okay, yan yung number of terms equals n divided by 2. So, 8 po yung terms divided by 2. Ito pong a sub 1 is the first term, a sub n is the last term. That's 36. So, 8 plus 36, that's 44. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. 4 times 44, that's 176. So, ang sum ng arithmetic series na 8 hanggang sa 36 ay 176. Okay. Okay. Thank you po sa mga nanonood sa ating live drills and lectures and drills. Sana po may natutunan kayo. Okay, thank you po sa panunood at pagsubaybay po sa ating mga live drills, lectures and drills dito sa LCTC YouTube channel. Okay, dito po sa LCTC, we dream that lahat kayo ay papasa. Tutulungan natin ang mga reviewees na dito sa LCTC na papasa ngayong March licensure examination for teachers. Next, the following are the customs and practices in Christianity, except Christianity. Of course, Ramadan. Yung Ramadan po ay for the Muslims. Okay? It is observed every 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It's the day of fasting. Mag-fasting po yung mga Muslim. Okay? Sa panahon ng Ramadan. Okay. So, itong Christmas, baptism, Easter Sunday are all Christian practices, customs and practices, no? Especially the Catholics. Excuse po for a while. Okay. Let's proceed po sa next item. Okay, ito po. Simplify 3 over square root of 5. Okay. Ano po ang sagot? No? Take note po, ang tawag dito ay we need to rationalize the denominator. Okay, so ano pong gagawin natin dyan? In order to rationalize the denominator. Ano po ang gagawin natin? Okay? Sige, ano po? We need to rationalize the denominator. Hello po sa mga nanonood, no? Okay. So in order to rationalize the denominator, tandaan po, just multiply the denominator by itself. Kasi tatanggalin natin. We need to remove, no, the square root. Okay, tatanggalin natin yan. So we simply need to multiply it by itself. Kasi square root. Okay? Pag cube root, so maghahanap ka ng radical na may multiply mo para maging perfect cube root siya. Square root yung denominator. Kaya we need to simply multiply it by itself. So say for example, square root of 5 times square root of 5 is square root of 25, and 25 is a perfect square. Right? So pag sinabi naman natin cube root of 9, 9 is not a perfect cube root. Say for example, okay? So we need to multiply it by the cube root of 3 para maging cube root of 27. And 27 is a perfect cube root. Okay? Ganun lang po ang technique. Okay. So, kung ano yung what you have multiplied, no, in the denominator should also be multiplied in the numerator. Kaya yung square root of 5, i-multiply mo sa 3, magiging 3 square root of 5. And yung denominator, minultiply mo sa kanyang sarili, no? Square root of 5 times square root of 5, that's a perfect square. Square root of 25. So, maging 5 na lang. Okay, so 3 square root of 5, 3 square root of 5 over 5. So, ang answer po dito ay letter C. Okay, drill nga natin. Sige. The first national artist for music, San Pedro. Okay. The first national artist for literature, Jose Garcia Villa. He is known as the Kama poet, Jose Garcia Villa. Okay. Ang kanyang mga story or mga obra ay nagpapakita ng Filipino concept of US cultures and traditions. Bienvenido Santos. Author ng Scent of Apples, Bienvenido Santos. Okay. Author ng New Yorker in Tondo, that's Marcelino Agana Jr. Pag sinabi nating the man who could play music with a leaf, that's Leve Celerio. Okay. Pag sinabi nating legendary cubist, no, of the Philippines, si Manan Sala. Pag sinabi natin the first abstractionist, no, of the Philippine art scene, that's still Manansala. Father of modern Philippine sculpture, Abueva. Pag sinabi nating spolarium, kay Juan Luna. Pag sinabi nating planting rice, kay Fernando Amorsolo. Sino nga ulit ang kilala bilang the grand old man of Philippine art? That's Fernando Amorsolo. Author ng Child of Sorrow, Zoilo Galang. Author ng Dead Stars, Paz Marquez Benitez. Kilala siya sa kanyang mga Filipino writer known for love sonnets, Ofelia Di Malanta. The first short story in English written by a Filipino, Dead Stars. The first novel in English written by a Filipino, Child of Sorrow. Pag sinabi nating the rule of the few and the privilege, that's oligarchy. Pag sinabi nating rule of the talented, that's meritocracy. Pag sinabi nating rule of the few, aristocrats. Okay. Pag sinabi nating the greatest novel ever written by Leo Tolstoy, War and Peace. Pag sinabing the first, no, it is considered by Leo Tolstoy himself as his first true novel, Anna Karenina. Pag sinabi nating epiko ng mga Ilocanos, Biag ni Lamang. Pag sinabi nating epiko ng Panay, Hinilawod. Okay, the first president in the Ilocos region, Elpidio Quirino. Okay, the first president of the Visayas, Sergio Osmeña. It is a customs, no, of the Muslims observed and celebrated during the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. It's the month of fasting for the Muslims. That's Ramadan. A Japanese poem with 3 lines consisting of 17 syllables, 575, that's haiku. Japanese poem consisting of 4 lines having 28 syllables, Tanaga, 7777. Pag Japanese poem, 5 lines with 31 syllables, Tangka, 57577. Okay, good. Pag sinabing father of sociology, that's Auguste Comte. Pag sinabi nating father of communism, Karl Marx. Pag sinabing radium and polonium, no, who discovered radium and polonium? Marie Curie. Okay. Pag sinabi nating father of programming or linear programming, Danzig. Pag planetary motion, okay, or an elliptical orbit of the planets, that's Johannes Kepler. Very good. Okay, pag sinabing penicillin, Fleming. Okay, pag sinabing heredity, Mendel. Okay, pag survival of the fittest, Spencer. Hierarchy of needs, Maslow. Okay, very good. Okay, ilang pairs ng chromosomes mayroon ng tao? 23 pairs of chromosomes. 22 dyan ay trait chromosomes, 1 pair of sex chromosomes. Okay. Pag sinabing protein synthesis, RNA. Pag sinabi nating genetic code, unique genetic code of an individual, DNA. Pag sinabi nating carries genetic information from generation to generation, that's the chromosomes. Okay, very good. Siya ay kilala bilang tungkod ng tulang Tagalog. Sino? Jose de la Cruz. Prinsipe ng Makatang Tagalog, si Francisco Balagtas. Okay, very good. Very good, very good. Okay. So, let's proceed. Ano nga ulit ang sagot dito? We need to multiply. No, rationalize the denominator. Matanggal yung radical sign, yung square root. Kaya multiply natin siya by square root of 5 to make it a perfect square. That's square root of 25. So, kung ano what we multiplied in the denominator should also be multiplied in the numerator. So 3 times square root of 5, that's 3 square root of 5. Square root of 25 is a perfect square, that's 5. So the answer is letter C, 3 square root of 5 over 5. Okay. Let's proceed. Okay. So welcome po, no, sa mga nanonood sa atin. Live po tayo dito sa LCTC YouTube channel sa ating panibagong lectures and drills. Ngayon, sa ating lectures and drills sa hapong ito. Okay. Next item. General education po tayo. Okay, aside from South Korea, the only Asian country belonging to the first world category is, among the following, take note, Japan. First world category, Japan. Okay, next item, 259. What is a system of beliefs, rituals, and practices usually institutionalized in one manner or another, which connects this world with the beyond and provides the bridge that allows humans to approach the divine? Okay? So, klaro na. The universal life force that both encompasses and transcends this world. Transcends the world. Religion, race, culture. Take note po, religion. Okay, ito po, allows humans to approach the divine. Bridge that allows humans to approach the divine, religion. Excuse me. Next. Ito, figure of speech. A tree whose hungry mouth is pressed against the earth's sweet flowing breast. Okay. Personification. Binibigyan ng human attribute, no? Yung isang punong kahoy. Okay. Personification. Next. Uy, simplify. Ano naman ito? Hindi makita. Ay, hindi makita. Okay. Anong nangyari? So, ito po ay pag-simplify ng mga whole numbers with exponents. Ma-view. Okay. I think item 261, yung sandali po. Wait ha. Open ko yung check ko po yung item 261. Kung anong content. Itong mga ganito, lalabas sa Gen Ed. No, math. 261. Thickly painted landscapes kay Cesar Buenaventura. 261. Wait po. Japanese. Okay, ito po. Yung 261, simplify 16 raised to the power of 1/2. Okay, bakit di makita rito? No? I don't know what happened. Di ma-view. Okay. But, tandaan po, a whole number raised to a fraction. Yung exponent ay fraction. So, dito sa item na ito, 16 raised to the power of 1/2. Take note po, yung numerator po, take note, for example, 16 raised to the power of 1/2, yung exponent ay 1/2, no? Fraction. Take note po na yung numerator na exponent ay power ng base. Okay? So, 16 raised to the power of 1. Take note. And yung denominator naman ay power of the root. Kaya, square root of 16 raised to the power of 1. Okay? So, square root of 16, 4. Power of the root. Take note po. Power of the root. Okay? Sige. Ito naman, 262. So, I'll make sure po na sa susunod na lectures natin, I'll try to find ways and means na to resolve this issue. No? Di ko alam kung bakit di ma-view yung mga numbers. Okay. So, dito po sa item 262, simplify. Ang given po dyan ay 3 raised to the power of negative 3. Negative naman yung exponent. Take note po, pag negative ang exponent, teachers, gawin yung fraction. So, for example, 3 raised to the power of negative 3. Gawin yung fraction. So, 1 over 3 to the power of 3. Yung negative, naging positive na. Okay? So, yung answer, pag sinabing simplify 3 raised to the power of negative 3, that's 1 over positive 27. 3 times 3 times 3 raised to the power of 3. Gawin yung fraction. Okay? 1 over the base with the negative exponent. Pag naging fraction na, positive na yung exponent. Okay. So, I think we just need to skip, no? Sa mga items na ito, 263, ganun pa rin. No? Ba't di mapakita? Okay. So, itong mga items na ito kasi lumabas ito nung March, no? Pag-simplify ng mga simplifying algebraic expressions, rational algebraic expressions, no? With exponents, positive and negative exponents, variables, ganun. Okay, but humihingi po ako ng pasensya. I'm very sorry. Hindi po na ma-view, no? But I'll make sure po sa next session natin, we're going to discuss, no, these types of these items. Okay, Gen Ed math items. Okay. Next, in Noli Me Tangere, this character hated being a Filipino. That she married a Spaniard. She wore European dresses and covered her kayumangi skin with thick makeup. Si Doña Victorina. Note po, itong si Doña Consolacion, siya po yung karakter na nagpasayaw kay Sisa kasi she was embarrassed, no? After it was revealed that she was fluent in Tagalog. Okay. Pinasayaw niya si Sisa, Doña Consolacion. Doña Victorina, nahiya sa kanyang kayumangging balat. No? She covered it with thick makeup. Okay, ito. Adios patria adorada, Rion del Sol querida. What did Rizal mean when she considered his country a querida? The Philippines is his lover and faithful wife, mistress, mother. Sa atin pong mga Filipino, binigyan natin, no, we gave translation to querida. For us, the translation ng querida ay kabit or mistress. But for Spanish, yung querida, lover. Philippines is his lover, according to Dr. Jose Rizal. Okay. So, once again, good afternoon po. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Sa mga nakikinig sa atin dyan, hello. Hello and hello. So, salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Okay, next. Okay. Sige, itong linya na ito I shall die without seeing the dawn break upon my homeland. You who shall see it, salute it. Do not forget those who have fallen during the night. Sino ang magsabi ng linyang yan? Si Elias. I shall die without seeing the dawn break upon my homeland. Si Elias po ang may sabi. Okay. Next item. Oh, ito. Did Rizal and Bonifacio meet in person? Okay. Di ba, according kay Fiscal Alcocer, si Rizal daw ang principal figure ng insurrection. Okay. At sinabi na hindi daw nag-usap si Rizal at Bonifacio. Even Dr. Rizal said na hindi niya nakausap ni minsan si Bonifacio. Pero nagkita sila pero hindi sila nag-usap during the early days of La Liga Filipina. So ang sagot, yes, Bonifacio met Rizal during the early days of the La Liga Filipina. Okay, yan po. Did Rizal and Bonifacio meet in person? Yes. Pero hindi sila nag-usap, ha? Yes, Bonifacio and Rizal. Bonifacio met Rizal in person during the early days of the La Liga Filipina. Okay, take note, take note. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat, sa mga future LPTs natin dyan na nanonood. Welcome po sa ating live lectures and drills. Dito lang po sa LCTC. Okay? Pangarap namin na papasa kayo sa March licensure examination. Okay. Next. When Filipinos find delight in belittling Filipino achievements or despising anything related to the Philippines, o anong syndrome to? Doña Victorina Syndrome. Okay, ito ay base sa karakter ni Doña Victorina, yung ikinakahiya ang kanyang kayumangging balat. Kaya, she always covers herself with thick makeup. Okay? Okay, so, itong si Doña Consolacion, mas known siya na nung napahiya siya kasi nalaman na she was indeed fluent in Tagalog. Kaya pinasayaw niya si Sisa. Okay. What was the most significant? Item number 266. Okay. What was the most significant effect of the opening of the Suez Canal to the Philippines in the 19th century? Take note po. Nung nabuksan na, okay, ports open to the world, trade and Western ideas. Letter B, the galleon trade flourished and resulted to more import and export activities. Letter C, the Spanish government became the superpower, thus strengthening their hold in the Philippines. Or letter D, the Philippines stayed the same as Spain was still ruling the country even after the canal opened. So ano po ba ang pinaka-significant effect ng pagbubukas ng Suez Canal? Take note po, yung mga Western ideas ay nakapasok na. Okay? Kaya, ports open to the world trade and Western ideas came. Okay. Yan po ang pinaka-most significant. Okay. Next item. Sige. Drill nga muna ulit natin. Sino nga ulit ang National Artist for Literature? First National Artist for Literature, si Jose Garcia Villa. Pag sinabi nga ulit nating First National Artist for Music, that's San Pedro, Lucio or Luis San Pedro. Pag sinabi nating the Grand Old Man of Philippine Arts, that's Fernando Amorsolo. Okay. Siya rin ang kilala sa planting, yung work na planting rice, right? Okay. Next. Pag sinabing father of modern Philippine sculpture, that's Abueva. Pag sinabi nating the man that could play music with a leaf, Livy Celerio. Okay. Sino nga ulit ang kilala bilang tungkod ng tulang Tagalog? Tungkod ng tulang Tagalog, Jose de la Cruz. Take note. Pag sinabi nating prinsipe ng Makatang Tagalog, that's Francisco Balagtas. Okay, pag sinabi nating the first president of the Visayas, that's Sergio Osmeña. Pag sinabi nating first president of the Ilocos region, that's Elpidio Quirino. Okay, saan nga na-originate yung itik-itik? Surigao del Sur. Okay. Next. Sino nga ulit ang author ng Scent of Apples? Bienvenido Santos. So, yung mga Filipino opinions, no? Sa kultura ng mga Amerikano. So, pag sinabi nating Hispanic cultures and traditions naman, kay Nick Joaquin yon. Okay? Quijano Di Martin ng Philippine Literature. Nick Joaquin. Okay. Pag sinabing first abstractionist on the Philippine art scene, that's Manansala. Okay, very good. Pag sinabi nating linear programming, Danzig yun. Pag sinabi nating planetary motion or elliptical orbit of the planets, that's Johannes Kepler. Pag father of communism, that's Karl Marx. Father of sociology, that's Auguste Comte. Pag penicillin, Fleming. Pag radium and polonium, that's Marie Curie. Measuring the intensity of earthquake, that's Richter. Charles Richter. Kaya nga, Richter scale, yung basihan, no, na mag-measure ng intensity ng earthquake. Okay? Pag sinabi natin the first novel in English written by a Filipino author, Child of Sorrow. Okay. It was written by Zoilo Galang. Okay. Pag sinabi namang first short story in English written by a Filipino writer, Dead Stars by Paz Marquez Benitez. Kilala sa kanyang mga love sonnets, Filipino author na kilala sa kanyang mga love sonnets, Ofelia Di Malanta. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, what is the symbolism of Vapor Tabo in the first chapter of El Filibusterismo? Vapor Tabo. Is it social class divide? Water pollution in Pasig River, arrival of the Americans, love of the Spanish for fancy things. Vapor Tabo. Take note po, itong Vapor Tabo, ano yung simbolo nito? Okay, is it social class divide? Is it water pollution in Pasig River, arrival of the Americans, or love of the Spanish for fancy things? Take note, pag Vapor Tabo po, automatic social class divide. Pag mayroong social class divide, corruption, yan po ang sagot. Okay. Take note po, social class divide, corruption. Okay. Sige. Take note po. Magandang hapon po lood natin. Okay. Sige po. Okay, next. Let's proceed. Symbolism of Vapor Tabo, social class divide, and corruption. Take note. Next. Jose Rizal dedicated the El Feli to, kapag El Feli, Gomburza, the martyr priests. Okay. So, sino nga ang nagpabitay sa Gomburza? Rafael Izquierdo during the Cavite Mutiny. Okay. Next. Itong bite the bullet is an idiomatic expression that means bite the bullet. Is it A, accept the punishment, be more sensitive, encouraged to do something difficult? Pag sinabi natin bite the bullet, that's accept the punishment, be more sensitive, or encouraged to do something difficult? Bite the bullet, encourage to do something difficult. Na kinakatakutan mong gawin, kaya gawin mo na. Bite the bullet. Huwag kang matakot sa let. Okay? So long as nag-review ka dito sa LCTC. Okay, mayroon po tayong face-to-face review. Meron din po tayong online reviews, no, para sa mga malalayo, no, far from Bugo. Okay. So meron po tayong online. So just message the LCTC page, no, go to LCTC page and message, no, for more inquiries. Maaari po kayong mag-enroll sa face-to-face review or sa online reviews. Okay. So bite the bullet, encourage to do something difficult. Okay. Mahirap mag-take sa let, no? Magpunta ka sa PRC, magpa-appointment, lahat-lahat, mag-study, no, mag-review, okay? Restless nights, okay? Kasi focus ka sa review, okay? Huwag pong matakot, bite the bullet, you can do it, future LPTs, okay? Lalo na pag dito ka nag-review sa LCTC. Okay, I know nga marami pong mga ibang sources ng review. Okay? So, but I encourage you na mag-review dito sa LCTC. Okay. Next item. Face the music. Face the music is an idiomatic expression that means face the music daw. Ito encourage to do something difficult, bite the bullet. Pag sinabi naman natin face the music, alin dyan sa dalawa? Dalawa na lang yung pagpipilian mo. Okay, at least may option ka pa. Okay. Accept the punishment or be more sensitive. Okay. Face the music, that's accept the punishment. Pag nagkasala ka, face the music. Okay. Accept the punishment. Read the room o wala ka ng pagpipilian. Siyang siya na. Okay. Be more sensitive. Read the room. Okay. Without words, be more sensitive. Okay. No need for explanation. No? Be more sensitive sa paligid mo. Read the room. Huwag kang putak ng putak. No? Be tactful. Huwag pong tactless. Read the room. Be more sensitive. Next, it tells the story of one man and his family's unique experience, no? As Filipino migrants in the United States. Na-mention ko na to kanina. New Yorker in Tondo or Scent of Apples? Scent of Apples. Take note po, Filipino and their experience, no? Their views on the cultures and traditions of the United States. Scent of Apples. So, ang may sulat nito si Bienvenido Santos. Okay. Sino nga ang author ng New Yorker in Tondo? Si Marcelino Agana. Okay. I think this will be our last item po. He is known as the Grand Old Man of Philippine Art. Ito, Grand Old Man of Philippine Art. That's Manansala, Abueva, Luna, Amorsolo. Sino nga ulit kilala si Manansala sa Cubism? He is a legendary cubist of the Philippines. First abstractionist in the Philippine art scene, Manansala. Itong si Abueva, father of modern sculpture, Philippine sculpture, Napoleon Abueva. Sino nga itong si Juan Luna? Spolarium. Amorsolo, Planting Rice, and Grand Old Man of Philippine Arts. Take note po na sino nga ulit yung the man who could play music with a leaf? Sino? Si Levi Celerio. Okay. Okay. Grand Old Man. of Grand Old Man of Philippine Art, Fernando Amorsolo. Okay, take note po. And the first ever to be recognized as a national artist of the Philippines. Okay, take note po, Fernando Amorsolo, Grand Old Man of Philippine Art, and the first ever recognized as the national artist of the Philippines. Obra niya yung planting rice. Okay, take note. Okay. Okay na po. Okay. So, okay, pag sinabi nating, okay, the man who could play music with a leaf, that's Levi Celerio. Okay. Pag sinabi nating laws of planetary motion, that's Johannes Kepler. Pag sinabi nating Japanese poem having 5 lines with 31 syllables, that's 31 syllables, that's Tangka. Pag sinabi nating 4 lines with 28 syllables, Tanaga. Pag sinabi nating 3 lines with 17 syllables, that's Haiku. Pag sinabi nating heredity, kay Gregor Mendel yan. Okay, sino nga ulit ang may kapangyarihan? The power to declare the existence of war, that's the Congress. Sino ang nag-coin ng term survival of the fittest? That's Herbert Spencer. Pag sinabi nating sociology, father of sociology, Auguste Comte. Pag sinabi nating father of communism, Karl Marx. Pag sinabi nating hierarchy of needs, Abraham Maslow. Pag sinabing he established the tobacco monopoly during the Spanish era, Jose Basco. Pag sinabing Cavite Mutiny and ordered for the execution of the 3 priests, Gomborza, Rafael Izquierdo. First president of the Ilocos region, that's Elpidio Quirino. First president of the Visayas, that's Sergio Osmeña. Epic of the Ilocanos, Biag Nilamang. Epic of the Panay and the Visayas, that's Hini Lawud. Pag first novel in English written by a Filipino writer, Child of Sorrow. First short story in English written by a Filipino, Dead Stars by Paz Marquez Benitez. Author of Child of Sorrow, that's Zoilo Galang. Very good. The national artist for literature, Jose Garcia Vella. The first national artist for painting, Fernando Amorsolo. The first ever recognized as the national artist of the Philippines, Fernando Amorsolo. Grand Old Man of Philippine Art, Fernando Amorsolo. Legendary Cubist of the Philippines, Vicente Manansala. First abstractionist of the Philippine art scene, that's Vicente Manansala. Father of modern Philippine sculpture, that's Napoleon Abueva. Very good. Okay, yung sine, tangent, secant, cosecant, kanino yon? Albert Girard. Pag sinabing linear programming or programming, Danzig. Pag laws of planetary motion or yung elliptical orbits of the planets, Johannes Kepler. Kilala bilang Miss Saigon, Lea Salonga. Very good. Okay. Very good. Pag sinabing heredity, kay Gregor Mendel. Pag sinabing penicillin, kay Fleming yun. Pag theory of evolution, kay Charles Darwin yun. Radium and polonium, kay Marie Curie. Communism, Marx. Hierarchy of needs, Maslow. Famous ang itik-itik dance saan ang galing or saan nag-originate yung itik-itik dance? Sa Surigao del Sur. Very good. Ano nga ulit ang mode? The most frequent score. Ang median? The middle score. Okay. Very good. Sige. And ano nga ang ibig sabihin, no? Sa sinabi ng Rizal na ang Pilipinas daw ay kanyang kirida, lover. Okay. Very good. Nagkita ba si Bonifacio at si Rizal? Yes. Si Bonifacio at si Rizal na nagkita during the early days of La Liga Filipina. Anong syndrome nga ulit yung yung pag ikinatutuwa mo or minamaliit mo yung mga achievements ng mga Pilipino? Doña Victorina syndrome. Okay. Okay, next. Sunod. Bakit tinawag na enlightened ones ang mga ilustrados? Yung mga ilustrados po ay tinatawag na enlightened one. Bakit? Okay. Sila ay kilala bilang enlightened ones or they are considered as enlightened ones kasi they belong to the educated class. Okay. Mga nakapag-aral sa Europa. Okay. Sige. Sino ang may sulat o ang author? A Question of Heroes. Ito po ay compilation of critical essays on the 10 key figures of history. Kasali na si Rizal. Sino? Si Nick Joaquin. Okay. Nick Joaquin, may sulat or may akda ng A Question of Heroes, yung compilation of critical essays sa 10 key figures of Philippine history. Appeal, kasali na si Rizal. Nick Joaquin. Okay. Pag sinabi nating madamdaming mananalaysay, Teodoro Agoncillo. Okay. So, simbolismo ng Maportabo, social class divide and corruption. Saan ididedicate ni Rizal ang Elfili? Sa 3 martyr priests. Very good. Okay. So, known as the grand old man of Philippine art, that's Amor Solo. Considered as the first ever recognized Philippine artist, national artist of the Philippines, Fernando Amor Solo. Very good. Okay. Very good. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating live lectures and drills. Sana po'y may natutunan yung mga nanonood sa atin sa hapong ito. Thank you, dear teachers and future LPTs. Okay? Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Okay, sa hapong ito. Thank you po and good afternoon. God bless po sa inyong lahat. No? Papasa kayo sa LET ngayong March. Basta mag-review kayo dito sa LCTC Review Center. Goodbye and good afternoon once again. Ito po si Sir Gilmore sa ating live lectures and drills.